3, 2, 1.
No. Hold on, Carl. Wait. I'm good to go.
Here we go.
Go for takeoff.
Okay, if they're not picked up in 5 minutes.
It goes.
And it fucking crashed. Yo, it's stuck in the ground.
It was German.
Towards the crash.
Wow, that was fun.
Yo, Carl.
Just look at all the planes out here.
The other plane that's nose down into the ground is the one I made.
Mine's over there. Mine went farther.
Hey, get the class.
Look at my plane, stuck in the ground.
Can you take that down?
Sure, what is it?
What's that?
Kevin? Yo, grab the other one. Yo, grab mine, it'll actually make it this far. Yo, that'll actually throw it this far, yo.
Oh, I would have made it too.
Hold on, he's throwing the plane back up. Yeah, he's watch.
Come, look out.
Yo, I got longer arms.
Oh, fuck you, I could've grabbed it.
Jordan Roy. Jordan Roy.
Yeah.
Yo, get your fat ass head out the window.
What the fuck, yo?
Head out the window.
Just give me 10 seconds.
Fat ass head out the window, boy.
Yeah.
Yo. You.
Oh yeah, I got caught on the fucking thing. Out.